Here's 6 reasons to keep an eye on Flamingo Finance in 2024. First, the highly anticipated Orderbook Plus upgrade, which is a major step forward for Flamingo. Development has been completed, and the smart contracts are currently undergoing security audits, which is super important not just for safety, but also for optimization. While the current Orderbook Plus implementation offers a robust trading platform, it's not without its challenges. One key issue has been the traditional order book structure, where a huge list of orders is either stored on-chain or in a separate database. This setup leads to several inefficiencies, with the primary ones being high gas fees and slower processing. The sequential execution of orders in this model imposes significant challenges in the blockchain environment, resulting in increased costs and delayed transaction times. Issues that are critical in a space where speed and cost efficiency are super important. Secondly is the complexity in the order management. Managing these orders often requires looping through a long list or keeping an off-chain registry. This adds layers of complexity and can hinder the smooth operation of the order book. And lastly, arbitrage and order jumping. The current structure also leaves room for arbitrage bots to exploit the system, potentially leading to unfair trading practices where certain orders are prioritized or jumped. So acknowledging these challenges, the Flamingo team knew they had to innovate. And that's precisely what the Orderbook Plus upgrade brings to the table. But in all honesty, it's way more than just an upgrade. It's a complete overhaul of the whole system aimed at addressing these specific issues. Flamingo is taking a giant leap in optimizing your trading experience. This new Orderbook Plus upgrade ingeniously combines the best of both worlds, the automated market maker or AMM and the traditional order book, on a layer 1 blockchain in a totally decentralized manner. But what does all this mean for you as a trader? Well, first off, you get the seamless experience of an AMM where you could trade instantly without waiting for another party to fill your order. And this is crucial, especially in a decentralized ecosystem where speed and efficiency are key. But here's where it gets really interesting. The new Orderbook Plus implementation also incorporates limit orders, a feature traditionally found on centralized exchanges. This means that you can set a specific price for an asset at which you want to buy or sell, adding a layer of precision and control to your trading strategy. Now, one of the coolest things about the new Orderbook Plus, in my opinion, is how it handles the orders. Instead of the traditional method where orders are lined up sequentially, which can potentially lead to higher gas fees and slower processing, the new Orderbook Plus flattens this structure. Every order is mixed, creating a dynamic and fluid trading environment. This not only reduces gas costs, but it also streamlines the entire process. Additionally, this system intelligently notes price movements. So when you place a limit order, let's say for Bitcoin to reach 100K, you don't have to worry about the impact of a million orders ahead of you. The system is designed to handle big volume without bogging down, ensuring that your trade will be executed without unnecessary delays or inflated costs. And here's the kicker, regardless if your order is executed through the AMM or the order book, the impact on your trade is minimized. You get the benefit of potentially lower impact, especially for large orders, and the assurance that your order will be executed fairly and efficiently. So in summary, Orderbook Plus, it's not just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary step in decentralized trading. It brings together the efficiency of AMMs with the precision of traditional order books, all while maintaining a user-friendly and cost-effective trading environment. So whether you're just a casual trader or a seasoned pro, Orderbook Plus is about to be perfectly positioned to transform how you trade on Flamingo. Alright, you're going to want to strap in for this next one. As we continue from the latest developments on the Orderbook Plus, Flamingo Finance is set to introduce another groundbreaking feature, Flocks. This development is closely tied in with the Orderbook Plus upgrade, as both are scheduled to release simultaneously, and together, they're about to change the game in the Flamingo Finance ecosystem big time. As we dive into the details of Flocks, it's important to understand its fundamental concept and how it diverges from its predecessor, Flund. Flocks isn't just an upgrade or a new feature. It's a complete reimagining on how asset management and revenue sharing can function within a decentralized finance platform. Unlike Flund, which primarily focused on generating yield by single staking FLM, Flocks introduces a more dynamic and diversified approach to earning passive income. It acts as a dividend-bearing asset, allowing users to gain a share of Flamingo's various revenue streams. This includes platform fees, interest, and minting rewards, distributed across various assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNEO, FLM, FUSD, and more. So imagine Flund was like your first smartphone. Pretty awesome for the time, right? But Flocks, that's the newest model, and it's fully loaded with all kinds of features that you've been dreaming of. The most striking difference between Flund and Flocks, in my opinion, is the introduction of a mechanism that not only empowers its users, but it supports the Flamingo ecosystem at the same time. By purchasing flocks, users actually burn a portion of their FLM, which reduces the overall supply, which to me is a game changer. So this deflationary model not only combats token inflation, but also has the potential to make FLM deflationary, enhancing its long-term value. Now, flocks is designed for the long-term investor, no more quick in and out like with flund. It removes the option to withdraw directly from the fund, but instead offers regular dividend payouts every 30 days. And the cool thing is, you've got options. Take those dividends as they are, or convert back to FLM. It's all about giving you the control. The shift from flund to flocks is a really big moment for Flamingo. To facilitate this shift, existing flund holders are given a head start to migrate to flocks. This process involves converting flund tokens to flocks at a dynamic rate, ensuring a seamless and fair transition for existing investors. As flocks begins its operation, flund will seize its rewards, marking the end of one era and the beginning of a new, more robust one. Now let's tie all of this back to Orderbook Plus. These two aren't just dropping at the same time by coincidence. It's all part of Flamingo's master plan to not only improve trading, but also reinvent how we manage and earn from our assets. So the release of flocks alongside Orderbook Plus, that's not just an upgrade. That's Flamingo showing us that they're playing a whole different game now. So as we count down to the launch of flocks alongside the new Orderbook Plus, it's pretty clear that Flamingo isn't just following trends in DeFi. They're out here setting them, pushing boundaries, and coming up with strategies that are totally ahead of the curve. Alright, so continuing from flocks and the new Orderbook Plus, Flamingo Finance has another ace up its sleeve that's sure to catch your attention: the ambassador programs. Originally started as a Flamingo ambassador program, and then later on evolving into the ZeLi campaigns, this initiative has become a cornerstone of community engagement and growth. So what's this all about? Well, Flamingo's ambassador program is not just your run-of-the-mill promotional stunts. They're a way for anyone in the community to step up and make a real difference. It's about taking the initiative, being creative, and doing what you think will best support the project and community. And the cool part, you get rewarded for it. Originally, the Flamingo Ambassador program started in June of 2023, offering up to $500 in monthly rewards for community members who really went above and beyond. We're talking about activities like bringing new people to our Discord and Telegram, showing them a little bit about the Flamingo platform, or just spreading the word on social media. So pretty much, it was all about organic growth and real community efforts. But hold on, it gets way better. Seeing the incredible impact of the Ambassador program, Flamingo decided to step it up with the monthly community ZeLi campaigns. Think of it as the Ambassador program, but on steroids. Last month in December, the campaign upped the ante to $1,000 in FLM and gas tokens distributed to the top performers. And if you're sitting pretty at the top of the leaderboard, you get to score the exclusive Flamingo Ambassador role and badge on Discord, which is pretty sweet if you ask me. Every month, the campaign runs from the 1st all the way to the 26th, with rewards being split up amongst the top 100 participants. And it's not just about the money. It's about bragging rights, being recognized as a top contributor, and really being a part of Flamingo's growth. And whether or not Flamingo continues with ZeLi, the essence of the Ambassador program remains the same, which is to empower community members to be active contributors, create growth, and engage in innovative ways. This isn't just about promoting Flamingo. This is about being a part of a community that really values your efforts and creativity. After diving deep into the technical brilliance of flocks and the new Orderbook Plus, the Ambassador programs show another side of Flamingo Finance. One that's equally as innovative, but focuses more on the people that make the platform what it is. So if you're ready to be more than just a user and want to contribute to the pulse of the Flamingo community, this is your chance to shine and get rewarded for your efforts. Join in, make a difference, and who knows, you just might be the next Flamingo Ambassador making waves in the community. Now, let's shift gears a little bit and talk about something that's not just a feature, but the very backbone of Flamingo Finance's efficiency and transparency: the Flamingo block parser. If you thought the Orderbook Plus and flocks were impressive, wait till you hear about this technological marvel. Imagine a high-speed train zipping through the landscape of digital finance, connecting every dot with incredible precision and speed. That's what the Flamingo block parser is like, but for blockchain transactions. This tool is a game changer in how we interact and understand data on the Neo blockchain. So check this out. The new parser can handle a jaw-dropping 100,000 transactions per second. That's like scanning an entire library of blockchain data in the blink of an eye. This speed not only makes Flamingo's frontend incredibly efficient, but also ensures that you're always in sync with the latest on-chain activities. But the real magic of the block parser lies in its ability to take a deep dive into data. And it doesn't just scratch the surface, it goes deep, offering all kinds of statistics for the entire blockchain and individual wallet levels. Ever been curious about how much gas you've spent or the total amount of swap fees you've racked up? The block parser lays it out for you clear as day. It's almost like having a personal blockchain accountant meticulously tracking all your financial moves and presenting them in an easy to understand format. Now let's talk about how it customizes insights. The block parser doesn't just throw generic stats at you, it actually tailors them to your unique journey on Flamingo. Whether it's tracking how often you've swapped FLM to BNEO, the dollar value of your transactions, or even your staking and claiming history, the block parser keeps tabs on everything. But wait, the block parser doesn't just stop there. It gives you a crystal clear view of each liquidity pool and the total value locked across different tokens. So imagine knowing exactly how much FLM is locked in the platform, or the dollar value in flund or flocks at any given moment. To me, it's the kind of transparency and insights that can really transform how you make your financial decisions. And here's where it all comes together. With this parser, Flamingo Finance isn't just optimizing its backend, but also revolutionizing its front end. The implementation of load balancer servers globally means faster, more secure access for users worldwide. You're not just using a platform, you're experiencing the pinnacle of blockchain technology. So in summary, the Flamingo block parser is more than just a technical update. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with and understand data in the DeFi world. So with this level of data granularity, I would even say that this is the heart that pumps vital information throughout the entire Flamingo ecosystem, keeping everything running smoothly, efficiently, and transparently. You'll have a much clearer picture of your activities and the overall health of the platform's economy. Plus, with this real-time data at your fingertips, you can adapt this strategy quickly to maximize your gains or minimize your risk. This is the kind of innovation that takes a great platform and turns it into an extraordinary one. And with tools like the Flamingo block parser, it's not hard to see why it deserves your attention in 2024 and beyond. And now, let's shift gears to another groundbreaking development in the Flamingo Finance and Neo blockchain ecosystem, the Neo X EVM Sidechain. So as many of you know, Neo, initially Antshares, has been at the forefront of blockchain innovation since 2014. It set new standards with its dual token model, DBFT consensus mechanism, and as China's first public smart contract platform. The 2021 N3 upgrade marked a monumental advancement, bringing a comprehensive, all-in-one blockchain development experience, including distributed storage, oracles, and an improved governance model. With the announcement of the Neo X sidechain, Neo stepped into a new era. DAO revealed this EVM-compatible sidechain that integrates Neo N3's DBFT consensus mechanism with MEV resistance, aiming to reshape the Web3 landscape. Neo X is designed to ensure security, privacy, and a smooth DeFi experience. Its innovative approach to MEV resistance is pivotal. By encrypting transaction content and metadata, the sidechain protects users from MEV attacks, which unfortunately has become increasingly prominent with DeFi's growth. This encryption, combined with Neo N3's DBFT consensus mechanism, promises a secure and fair environment for network users. This sidechain is expected to attract a wide range of developers, particularly those who are experienced with Ethereum and Solidity. And with that being said, I feel like there's going to be a ton of innovation and growth on its way to the Neo ecosystem. Now shifting to Flamingo's strategy, the integration with Neo X includes deploying liquidity pools on the sidechain, enabling swaps, and possibly some liquidity mining. This approach focuses on leveraging Neo's efficiencies, such as low transaction costs and innovative capabilities, rather than extending to other EVM chains. This decision underlines Flamingo's commitment to remain distinctive and innovative within the Neo ecosystem. The Neo X sidechain symbolizes a strategic balance of harnessing wider blockchain technologies while still maintaining Neo's unique strengths. For Flamingo Finance, this translates to more secure, efficient, and accessible DeFi offerings. So as we eagerly await the mainnet launch, the prospects for heightened innovation and user engagement are at an all-time high. So with these developments setting the stage, let's now explore another innovative feature from Flamingo Finance, the token auction offering. The TAO is ingeniously designed to give a fair market price to tokens before they even hit the market. Traditional methods often see early whales dominating the scene, totally skewing the token valuation. The TAO counters this by basing the token price on auction bids, ensuring a more level playing field and a more accurate market value. What's really exciting though is that there's already a few projects that are lined up and ready to utilize the TAO system. This early adoption signals a strong interest in a more equitable token distribution method and a shift in how token offerings are perceived. What's really remarkable about all of this is its inclusive approach. Virtually anyone can initiate their own token auction offering. However, to maintain quality and trust, there is a due diligence process, although it's pretty minimal. Projects that reach a certain threshold will have their funds channeled into a reverse pool, adding liquidity and stability. The Flamingo team is deeply committed to ensuring that TAO mechanisms are fair, smooth, and minimize risks to users. This ongoing development reflects a thoughtful approach to balancing innovation with user protection. In contrast to initial DEX offerings or IDOs, the TAO is seen as a more equitable way to set market prices. Unlike IDOs, where setting an initial market price can be challenging and often leads to inflated initial selling prices, the TAO allows for a market-determined price, avoiding overvaluation at the outset. So pretty much, the TAO empowers the market, not the project owners, to decide the right price for a token. This approach demystifies token pricing, as projects often aim for the highest possible valuation in order to maximize funding. So the TAO's structure ensures a more balanced and realistic token valuation. The token auction offering opens the doors for any token creator to be listed on Flamingo. By hosting their own token auction offering and meeting the required volume threshold, creators can automatically get listed and establish pools on Flamingo. This not only diversifies the Flamingo ecosystem, but also provides an equitable platform for token creators to gain market access. The introduction of the token auction offering on Flamingo Finance isn't just a feature, it's a huge shift in how tokens are introduced and valued in the DeFi space. And above everything, it represents a commitment to fairness, market-driven valuations, and inclusive opportunities for token creators. So as we eagerly anticipate the implementation of the token auction offering, its potential impact on market dynamics and token economies is immense. It's pretty clear that Flamingo just continues to pave the way for innovative DeFi products, and the token auction offering is just another testament to this ongoing journey. So having explored the token auction offering system, let's move on to the final bonus aspect of our discussion, the Flamingo JavaScript library, another key component that's shaping the future of Flamingo Finance. The Flamingo JavaScript library is designed to simplify integration for anyone wanting to use Flamingo pools for token swapping directly on their own websites. This SDK is essentially a toolkit to make it effortless to interact with Flamingo from any JavaScript-based website. Take a look at platforms like Ghost Market and NDApp. They use this technology to enable token swapping directly from their platforms, showcasing the versatility and user-friendliness of Flamingo's infrastructure. While the details are still emerging, the potential of this SDK is huge. It opens the door for a wide range of websites and applications to seamlessly integrate with Flamingo's DeFi infrastructure, further enhancing the accessibility and reach of the Flamingo ecosystem. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the innovative features of Flamingo Finance to keep an eye on in 2024. From the new and advanced Orderbook Plus and Flocks, to the Ambassador program, the Flamingo block parser, and the upcoming Neo X EVM Sidechain. We also dived into the token auction offering system, a revolutionary approach to token pricing and distribution. And of course, the Flamingo Finance JavaScript library, a tool poised to redefine how we integrate DeFi functionalities into our digital platforms. Each of these features is a step forward in making DeFi more accessible, secure, and efficient. Flamingo Finance isn't just about creating solutions, but about shaping the future of decentralized finance. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration, and be sure to stay tuned for more updates and insights on the ever-evolving world of blockchain and DeFi. Take care.